Against the backdrop of the ragging incident at the Dibrugarh University campus that rocked Assam, Director General of Police Bhaskar Jyoti Mohanto said the police will take strict action against the perpetrators in the future.
As far as ragging is concerned, it's a no tolerance issue. Assam police are ragging or birudde heavily ahibe. Aru avashyok mote manoniya mukhyamantri jitu kotha koise je dorkar hole আমি বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় কর্তৃপক্ষ আমি জগৰীয়া কৰাটোৱে কথা নহয় আমি একচন লম গতিকে ৰেগিং ইজ নট একসেপ্টেবল এতিয়া সভ্য সমাজত আৰু ডেকা ল'ৰা ছোৱালী নতুন মানসিকতাটো লৈ আহে তো পঢ়া শুনাৰ ইচ্ছা লৈ আহি পেলাই তেওঁলোকৰ ৰেগিঙৰ নামত অত্যাচাৰ হ'ব আৰু এইবোৰ বেইমানি হ'ব এইবোৰ একসেপ্ট নহ'ব আৰু উইল কাম ভেৰি হেভিলি এগেইনষ্ট দেম থ্যাংক ইউ
Although 5 accused of harassing Anand Sharma, leading him to jump off the hostel building, have been arrested, ragging still remains a major problem. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that there has definitely been neglect on the part of Dibrugarh University in the ragging incident. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment section below.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.